Welcome to Bellavista News.
Friday, 27th of February was a very special day in our school, Bellavista Joan Camps.
We celebrated our first tennis day and our reporters were there to make some interviews.
Let's start with the youngest. We give way to our reporters who visited Educación Infantil.
Hello, we are Mamadou and Ivan. We are Angst. They are 5 little monkeys.
Hello, my name is Nerea.
Hello, my name is Esther.
We are in P4.
We are learning the song Ilse Wins Spider. My name is Sully. Here in P5 they are learning If You're Happy.
Can you feel it? Now it's coming back. We can steal it if we bring.
Yes, do you want? Venga, va. 1, 2, and 3. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Now it's time of 1st and 6th grade. Let's see what did during the first hours of the morning.
Hello, here are Iman and Eva. We are on the class of 1st grade. Hello, what's your name? What are you doing? Read books.
We are Zakaria and Andrea. And now we are going to ask the 6th grade students.
Hello, do you like this activity?
Yes, we can practice reading and the 1st graders can learn from us.
This is my heartbeat song and I'm gonna play it. Been so long I forgot how to turn it up, 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 up all night long. Oh, up, up all night long.
Hi, we are Nadir, Mireia and Ainhoa. We are in 1st grade again. Now we are playing vocabulary games of together. Well, hello, what's your name? My name is Can tell me what it is? Hello, what are you doing?
We are playing vocabulary games like memory.
Do you like this activity?
Yes.
If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, then you're la la la, babe. If your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, if your lips are moving, then you're la la la, babe. Boy, look at me in my face. Tell me that you're not just about this bass. You really think I could be replaced? Nah.
And what about with 2nd and 5th grade? Let's take a look.
Hello, we are Alba, Pau and Samuel. We are in the class of 2nd grade.
Hello, my name is Sara.
Hello, my name is Olga.
Yo receive a delicious chocolate cake.
What are you doing?
Watching videos.
Do you like activity?
Ingredients of spaghetti:
spaghetti, beef meat, onions, tomato, salt, and oil. Hello, it's a cake chocolate. Ingredients: one packet is the yeast, 1 yogurt natural, 3 eggs.
Add lettuce and tomato. Got the onion, garlic and salt. Fish free, get put milk with sugar. Then we add fresh tomato, some cheese, wheat, bacon and 1 egg.
Sipping on rosé, silver lakes and
Hello, we are a person Estela. Hello, do you like this activity? Yes. We have school match. Hello, that is interesting activity. Yes, during this activity we grow a yearly learn.
I stay out too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many days.
Hello, my name is Andrea. Hello, my name is Natalia. Hello, my name is We are second grade again. Hello, what's your name? My name is Can you tell me what's this? Computer. Perfect.
Are you having fun?
Are you having fun? Yes.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car, raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die.
Third and fourth graders also did a very special activity. Let's connect with our reporters.
Hello, what are you doing? Are you
The next one.
Do you like
Come on.
The girl them move on tracks and the parliament there. Enrique, sing for them, do it. You look at me and girl, you take me to another place. Because me need it, baby girl. Got me feeling like I'm flying, like I'm out in space. Something about your body says, come and take me.
While one group of students is learning the choreography, the other is making some materials for the photo card. Hello, what does it say in your speech bubble?
I love English Day.
Are you enjoying our English Day?
Yes.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
During the afternoon, 1st, 2nd, 5th and 6th graders watched a movie. It was like a real cinema with popcorn.
Third and fourth graders showed magnificent moves, and P3, P4 and P5 sang some songs.
If you're angry, stomp your feet. If you're angry, stomp your feet. If you're angry, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, stomp your feet. If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no! If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no! If you're scared, say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no!
And that's all. See you in the next English Day.
Take care, see you!